In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic email forwarding in Gmail. If you want emails sent to your Gmail account to automatically arrive in another inbox as well, Gmail makes that process fairly simple. This can be useful if you manage multiple email accounts, if you're transitioning to a new address, or if you just want to keep important messages in one central place. To begin, open Gmail and go to your main home dashboard where you can see your inbox. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens Gmail's quick settings panel. From that panel, select See All Settings. This takes you into the full settings area where Gmail gives you access to more advanced options. Across the top, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Forwarding and Pop IMAP. This is the section where Gmail manages forwarding behavior and mail access settings. On that page, look for the option to add a forwarding address and click it. Gmail will then ask you to enter the email address where you want your incoming messages to be forwarded. Carefully type in the destination email address. It's a good idea to double check it before moving on, since forwarding to the wrong address could send your emails somewhere unintended. After entering the address, click Next. Gmail will show you a confirmation pop-up so you can review what you entered. If everything looks correct, click Proceed. This tells Gmail to begin the verification process. At this point, Gmail will not start forwarding messages immediately. First, the forwarding address has to be confirmed. To do that, sign into the email account you're forwarding to. In that inbox, look for a verification email from Google. Open that message and click the confirmation link inside it. This step is important because it proves that you have access to the destination address and permission to forward mail there. Once that confirmation is completed, the forwarding address is verified and ready to use within Gmail. If you don't see the verification email right away, check the spam, junk, or promotions folder, since automated emails can occasionally end up there. That's all it takes to begin the setup process for automatic forwarding in Gmail. Just remember that the verification step is essential, and the forwarding address won't be fully active until that link has been confirmed. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to route your Gmail messages to another inbox with confidence.